I chose Will Excel program because I really like the idea that the school would offer a sponsorship after you completed your TESOL course. It really allowed me to take the worry off when and where I was going to find a position once I completed the course. I wanted to take a TESOL program because I wanted to increase my ability and my marketability as a teacher, as an ESL teacher. I also felt that having a TESOL where I would sit inside a classroom as opposed to something that I would get online would offer more benefits to me as a learner. With the TESOL certificate, I'm also able to compete on more of a global scale for ESL as a teacher. I thought the Will Excel program was really good as for new people into the teaching field because it really focuses on how to teach people, not even going about teaching English, but just how to be a really good teacher. I thought it was very beneficial. It was really great for me as a teacher coming back into the setting because it was able to review and make me think about, oh, I remember learning this when I was in university, and it made me address how to teach better to different students at the same time. If you were to come to this program, come in knowing that you're going to get a really good background in how to teach to children, that how you will teach to different levels of children, which is very important because in many programs you don't receive that attention. Also, I think for me personally, I wish that I could have learned more about the science of English. It is covered in the course, and it's probably about the amount that you would need for teaching ESL, but for me personally, I would like to delve in more into that. But overall, my experience with Will Excel TESOL program has been very good.